Hello, how are you today? For today's video we have a Razer Siren Elite microphone. As you can see, we don't have any draw current or voltage. And my PC don't recognize the microphone. The listing says that it drops down and stops working. This video it's more likely how to disassemble this microphone than not so much to fix. Because I searched in YouTube and then didn't find any video about this model specific. So let's start. We need to take off the sticker first. Behind the sticker there are two screws. Okay, the sticker is out. The next step is to take off the two screws. After that we need to push the power button a little up. The other two buttons we need to take off with a force. So I'm using this tower because I don't want to make a scratch. It's a little hard to take off, but you need to be patient. Last thing we must do is to take off the three screws. My recording, I don't know why, stopped recording, so I realized that in the third screws. I will show you in a moment where is the other two screws when I'm taking off. Here in the arrows there are more two screws you need to take off. Okay, the motherboard is out and disconnect every connector. Okay, the disassembly is over, so before I disassemble the whole motherboard, I checked every pin. As you can see, the second pin and the fifth pin, it's not connected. Unfortunately, I lost the recording, so that's why this video is more disassembling and not repair. As you can see now, my PC recognizes it as Bravo H2 FM update. This happens because when the seller dropped down the microphone, stopped working to destroy the firmware. Unfortunately, for this specific model, there is not a tool on the Razer website. You need to send an email and they will send you a tool to fix it. When I have news about that, I will upload the second video. Thank you for watching.